Alright, it's cold out there.
Get down. Look, Raya. Hi. I got you guys a fish. What do you say?
Thank you.
Yeah, be careful with it.
So be careful.
Yes, right.
That lid might pop off.
Should be securely
Daddy,
fastened.
you want to be careful with
That's what they say.
What do you say?
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I think I set up the bowl for it.
It's
a pretty one.
Yes, Raya. Raya.
Calm down, Mariah. Sure, flip on that light, would you?
This one was big.
Yeah.
I had one before.
You didn't have to get them a fish. I know, it was just sounded cool because they were talking about it last week. And I was like, well, maybe
Did you guys
get a
ever
pet.
find a store?
Until they get a doggy. So you guys can't have another pet till you get a doggy, so I figured you guys could have a fish.
Oh, that's a bowl.
That's the bowl.
Can I pour in those?
Say
Can I
what?
pour in those?
Yeah, but we have to wash them off first.
Oh, can I? Here,
Yeah,
can you wash them off first? Can you wash them off first?
Yes, right.
My mom can wash them off first.
Hey, Mariah. Mariah,
What
Hey,
is
your
bowl?
dad's talking to you.
What?
what do you got?
A fish.
Okay, see?
Dad, cheese fish.
What fish?
Your fingers covered.
Cheese
Saying
fish.
say cheese fish.
Fish.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Those are pretty. Yeah, I was trying to get something pink in them.
Mariah, can you put the bowl up on the table?
Whoa.
Mariah?
You guys are sharing that fish.
Mariah, can you put it up on the table so we can put him in the bowl? No, don't put him on the table itself. Put the bowl up here. Just watch him, okay?
Interesting.
See, that way you can see him. And Brookie can see him.
Yeah, this other dad was getting one for his little girl.
Yep, careful, Mariah. Don't drop it.
Why?
Because you drop it, it's going to die.
Yeah, this is a plant. It's live. That's why it's in a cup of water right now. Did you bring it from your house? Yeah.
Hey,
This is in my other fish tank.
hey,
And it will
hey,
start to
hey.
grow better.
Is there fish going there?
Yeah, the fish is going to go in here. First, you have to put this.
Oh,
Just a minute.
put it on there. Doesn't put my fish in there.
Put like 10 drops of this in here when you first get it. I don't know if you could. I actually had to buy one forever. They last a long time. Especially when you only have little things like this. You only have to put like 10 drops in it.
Can I put in there?
Just a minute.
Can I put in there?
You're going to have to
Just
use
wait.
the net.
Just wait, Mariah.
Let Deanna do it, okay?
Can you do it? I can't do it. And he won't get out.
That wouldn't be good. You'd be flopping all over the place.
Yeah. You do it.
Yeah, I'll do it for you.
And can I feed him
Yeah, you can feed him
by myself?
by yourself.
So you like put some water in there and then bring it over there?
No, you just catch him in his tank right there, and you put him in the other
Can I
one.
catch him? Can I catch him?
Yeah. Just a minute.
I need
This
a
is the
net.
food.
I want
This
a
is stuff right here.
Can I want a net. But can you do it, Brooke? No, I don't want it. Since you got it to hold the fish, I didn't. You put your hand up. Brooke, be careful. He will snap.
Yeah, I went out till like 11.
Right?
You guys are tired. I'm going to bed.
Hold on.
should be okay.
Why do you have to put that medicine in it?
Because there's a lot of chlorine and stuff in the water, and it kills the throat. Okay, come here.
And then I just.
So then you just put it in there and try to keep them in a corner
It's a circle. How's there a corner?
like that. Oh, wow, this one's spicy.
Whoa!
Got it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these things are.
Hard.
Here, let her do it, Brooke.
Yeah, that way you won't squish the fish. Maybe.
This one's feisty. This one's even feistier than the one I had. Okay.
She got
Okay.
it. Happy him
Go
now.
out of the
Happy him. Net.
go out of the net. No, out of the
Could get
net.
him in. I don't want to get out.
Out. Come on, guy. Out of the net.
I like the net. I'm not getting out.
Happy him.
There you go.
Happy him.
Yeah, you can feed him now.
Alright.
No, that right there.
This thing.
She'll show you how to do it, okay?
Me
Brooke?
and Mariah both hold on to it.
Okay.
Second out right
You
now.
just put a little bit in your hand like that, and then you pinch it, and you put
I'll
it in the
take
top
that
of the
rest.
bowl.
What is it, like 10 drops per day, or 10 pellets per day or something?
Yeah, I do 5 in the morning, 5 at night,
Yeah.
and it lasts forever.
Well, we had one and the lid popped off and I was feeding it. He had a little too much.
Oh,
He had a good last meal.
There he is.
and he'll sit around like he's in complete and utter shock for a while, and then he'll actually start swimming around.
What doing? What are we doing next?
Then you have to find out where you want to put it.
I want to put somewhere.
Careful, Brock.
No, you're not. No, it's not going in your room. Because I don't know what you guys will do to it.
No, we won't. We won't
You want it in the living room?
No. Yeah.
You put them on top of the TV.
I put him in the living. I put mine in the living room.
You want them on top of the TV?
No.
How about on one of the end tables next to the couch so they can still see it? And then we'll put the food up.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Probably not the one near the light. So I think that light would get too warm.
He's just hanging out. Probably a little cold at the same time.
You know what this is, Dan, right?
What?
This here?
Is that a camera? A video camera?
Uh-huh.
That's what I was wondering. Is it a camera, a video camera,
Yeah.
or is it just a video camera? That's
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Say bye, Brooke? No. What are you going to say? You like to fish?
Yeah.
A lot?
That's my fish. I don't want to see
It's
fish.
both of you guys' fish. I got it for both of you.
You gotta take care of it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Jumping bean.
Jumpy little puppy.
Okay.
Just little puppy.
Okay, clear off that one.
So is it glass jar or is it plastic?
Yeah, it's glass.
Oh.
It only costs $3. These are the ones I get for buying. This one?
But then we can look in.
Would it be better to have it under the one with the light or no light?
You said no light. What do you? I don't know.
Mom, can we?
You know what?
Mom,
It
Mom,
doesn't
can we
matter.
get
They're
your-
really durable fish.
Has
They can go through a lot.
That light doesn't work.
I accidentally forgot to put the chlorine stuff in my fish once and he almost died. But it's fine now. So don't do that. Because I almost did that once. Because I was so excited to get him a plant. It was bad.
You want it on that one with the light?